So we've received 5 fascinating updates on Samsung's future foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. It's a mix of excellent news and some dubious moves. Let's go! The Z Fold 6 is a good phone, but let's be honest, it's not Samsung's greatest foldable since there is a better version out there with enhanced cameras, a larger display, a smaller design, and a less obvious seam. Basically what we wanted from the start, this decision left a lot of us feeling let down, particularly those who grabbed the normal Fold 6, but here's the good news, it seems like Samsung understood the message and will not make the same mistake with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to Rossian, CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultant, the Z Fold 7 will have the same display sizes as the Z Fold 6 Special Edition, with an 8-inch inner screen and a 6.5-inch cover screen, which is a significant increase over the regular Fold 6. We're also getting some of the Special Edition's best features, including a 200-megapixel camera, a thinner and lighter design with fewer visible creases, and a punch-hole inner camera. The Z Fold 6 Special Edition is now available globally as the Z Fold 7. So here's the thing. If the Z Fold 6 Special Edition does not support the S Pen, does this imply that the Z Fold 7 will do the same? Unfortunately, this appears to be the case. According to Ross Young, the Z Fold 7's display will lack a digitizer, which is required for the S Pen to work. In other words, it seems like the S Pen will not make the cut for the Fold 7, and a built-in slot for it is unlikely. To be honest, that seems like a horrible choice. Skipping the digitizer helps you shave 0.6 mm in thickness, exactly as the Special Edition, however losing the S Pen seems like a step down. Now there's a slim chance that Samsung is working on a workaround. Reports from the Elect suggest that they're working on a new technology that could let pens work without a digitizer, but there's a catch, it won't be ready until at least 2026, so whether this new pen tech makes it to the Z Fold 7 is still up in the air. Let's hope it does, since skipping the S Pen support would undoubtedly upset a lot of people who have grown to like that function. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.